362, State versus Julius Martinez. Can I have parties announced for the record? Oh, that was quick.
Info Carrillo for Mr. Martinez.
Are you Mr. Martinez?
Yes, ma'am.
You have any objection to your attorney appearing by Zoom?
No, ma'am.
State any objection? All right, did you review the discovery acknowledgement with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
And defense, did you review all discovery with your client?
I did, Your Honor.
And have you received all of the discovery?
I did, Your Honor.
Court will find that state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Martinez, did you review the application for deferred adjudication or community supervision with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Martinez, did you review the court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
You're charged with assault on a public servant as a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
You have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent. Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 10 years in the prison and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
In my opinion, he is competent.
Mr. Martinez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promise you anything other than the plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
If you're not a U.S. citizen by entering this plea, you will be deported and denied naturalization. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And re-entry. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishment is to be assessed at a $2,000 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
It is.
Did you review the waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
By signing that, you're waiving your right to appeal. The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Outside the agreement, the state is recommending that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 4 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation, 200 hours community service restitution, no contact with Bar House, BAR House at 820 North Alamo, hostility management course, and alcohol awareness course. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead?
No contest.
State, any evidence?
State offer, states one and
No objection, Your Honor.
Did you review the waiver and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there'll be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the sign. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, on that particular night, my client, it was something that he could, if we wish, he could take back. Wasn't a fight. He didn't intend to hit the police officer. The officers were trying to pull him apart. My client just swung and they hit the other one and unfortunately hit the officer. He's a good man. He works and he just wants to put this behind him and and live up to the obligation that he will inherit when if your honor puts him on deferred probation.
All right. And State, is there anything you wish to add? All right. How old are you?
I'm 19 now.
All right. And what time of the day was this?
It was around 2 in the morning, maybe.
And this goes back to what I say, nothing good happens after 10 p.m. You should have been at home. Do you live with your mom?
No, ma'am, I live with my wife.
You should have been, was your wife with you?
Yes, ma'am, it was her birthday. That's the only reason we were out.
And you're not supposed to be at a bar anyway because you can't drink, but you were intoxicated, according to this. And how old is your wife?
She's 21.
And do you all have any children?
No,
You're not ready yet.
not at all.
So I can tell you as a part of your conditions, I'm going to order that you're not allowed to go into any establishments where their main source of business is the selling of alcohol.
Yes, ma'am, that's perfectly fine.
All right. Because I'm reading in the police report, people were trying, your friends, probably your wife included, were trying to tell you, let it go, leave it alone, let's move on.
Yes, ma'am.
You ruined her birthday.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope you're making it up to her.
Yes, ma'am.
And I hope she brings it up anytime she wants something. She can say, remember my 21st birthday. It wasn't a good time. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you employed?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you do?
I do fiber optic for light fiber.
Okay.
I drill Wi-Fi in the ground. It's just basically I put Wi-Fi.
All right. See, never lower your job status by saying just basically I do this. You want the company to know that you're indispensable. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. All right, this is what the court will do. Court is going to sentence you to a $2,000 fine. That will be probated. 2 years deferred adjudication, 200 hours community service restitution. I'm going to order the hostility course. Once he's completed that, 100 hours will be deemed satisfied. And I'm going to order the alcohol awareness course. Once you've completed that, 20 hours will be deemed satisfied. The remaining 80 hours will be satisfied through completion of sober support meetings. So for every sober support meeting you complete, an hour will be deducted from that. Do you understand? So probation, I'm ordering sober support meetings. There's to be proof of employment within 40 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Field visits 1 time per month for 2 months. No contact with Bar House at 820 North Alamo, 78215. And there's to be no entry unless it's for employment to label fiber optics. No entry into any establishment where the business is primarily the sale of alcohol. So if you're going to a place and it's not a bar, you can go there.
Yes, sir.
So Red Lobster, Olive Garden, Cheesecake Factory, and any other restaurant like that. But if it's a bar, no. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Probation, is there anything else that's needed? Oh, I'm sorry, regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular random UAs. Well, we'll just do regular UAs because I know how employment for that company is.
Your Honor,
Yes.
my client is not a resident of Bexar County. He lives in Uvalde. and we were gonna ask for the probation to be transferred to that county.
All right, is it Uvalde County?
Yes, ma'am.
I think it is.
All right, transfer to Uvalde County. And probation, if for some reason they don't do field visits there, then that's okay. Probation, is there anything else he needs? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
No.
All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Remember what I said. And have you ever resided in Berry County or no?
I used to live in Leon Valley.
All right. So here's the thing. When you go to another place to visit or as a tourist, you're sort of like a guest to that county. So don't go to that county or somewhere else as a guest and cause problems. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Good luck to you in this court to be successful on probation. Communication is key. If there's an issue, let your probation officer know about it. If you feel as they're not addressing it, you can always come back here, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Whatever you do, don't disappear.
Yes, ma'am.
Report, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All
Thank
right.
you, Judge.
You're welcome, and thank you for addressing appropriately.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
She's been in the hospital, Your Honor. And we have a trial date, December 4th, I believe.
Yes. State, have you had a chance to review this application for a PR bond on Valerie Medina? And then after this case, who is ready?
I have a couple of research.
Okay. And who is that?
I have, I just flew all the way, 9, 1 and 2. Wow. Yeah. Mhm. He's on Zoom. Oh, he's on Zoom.
Okay, who else?
Bob Behrens is on Zoom, Judge.
Oh, no, yes, I know that.
And
Who's,
then I have also, Malik Lampkin. Did we take that down?
no, we have not.
Okay, that is Austin Hakey,
Okay.
page 15.
Mhm.
Page, yeah, and 1 down.
Okay,
And then I have a Brian Moreno, Michael Billion's plan,
okay,
page 8, 4 down.
okay.
A couple after that.
All right, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
So have you had a chance to review this?
Yes, Your Honor.
And are you going to have any objections? All right. All right. And what do you want the bond amount state? Norma, if you will make a reset form for her, she's actually set on December 4th. All right. The court will set your bond at $5,000. The court will grant your application for deferred adjudication. Court will ask that fees be waived.
Uh,
There is to be, yes,
Your Honor, is it a PR bond? It's not a
Yes.
deferred?
no, it's a PR bond. The fees are being waived
Yeah.
because there's a 3% fee to PR bonds.
I believe you mentioned deferred adjudication, Your Honor.
Did I? Oh, I'm so sorry. Thank you. No. It's a $5,000 bond. I think I said that because in the paperwork it says deferred, but our bond fees will be waived. And there is to be drug and alcohol testing. And I will ask that the fees are waived. Is there anything else you need from the court with regards to bond? And I know you've been in a hospital, so how is your health?
All right.
Okay.
My medication.
Okay. All right, so they'll have you do the drug testing and Ms. Ferguson is going to give you the reset form. Once you receive that, you are excused. And thank you for letting me know I said that. I didn't mean to say that. All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
May I be excused?
Yes. Alvarado. All right, I'm pulling up your case now.
Hello.
Hello. So where are we on discovery on this case, Mr. Behrens?
I've seen the file, Judge, but the state, I think, needs time to contact their victim and consult with them before they make me an offer. So I don't think it's gonna be a big deal, but and just so the court knows, we're out of state between 12:12 and 1:05. Glad to appear by Zoom if that's what the court wants.
Yes, I believe Ms. Alburn intends to contact.
All right, so you all need to confer off docket. Ms. Ferguson, set this for a plea deadline date the second week in December.
Can I appear by Zoom if we're leaving on the 12th? I don't know.
Oh, it's gonna be set for December 8th.
Okay. Got it.
Oh. All right, you'll be back on December 8th. Your attorney will be present. And once you sign the reset form, you're excused. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're
Am
welcome.
I excused?
Yes.
All right.
Hello. How are you doing? All right, is he med compliant? Do we know?
I believe he is, Your Honor. He did
Mhm.
have an issue with one of the meds he was taking. He had a conversation with the probation officer about that. But other than that, he has been compliant with all of his meds and he hasn't been acting out. I do believe there was one incident where he didn't like his meds and he expressed that incorrectly. But other than that, there hasn't been any issues and I haven't received any violation reports.
Probation,
Yes, Judge.
is he med compliant?
Judge. Hard to know. I think whether it is or it isn't.
I am.
She's trying to get objective proof of that. Just let her ask.
So here's the thing. We're here, and the reason why we're here is because you have new cases, right? And those new cases are alleged to have been committed when potentially you were not med compliant. So that's why I'm always concerned and want to know if you're med compliant. Because if you're not, that will impact your bond. You understand? Because part of my job is to set conditions for bond in a probation that will make sure that you're successful, but also protect the community. Do you understand? All right. And I know we were supposed to have a contested hearing today, and everybody agreed that witnesses may appear by Zoom. I'm assuming nobody's ready for a contested today.
We did file an agreed motion. It was properly accepted, Your Honor. We are asking to reset that to either like next Monday or Tuesday, or the week after that on Wednesday or Monday, whatever's better for the court.
State defense, when do you all want the contested hearing?
And I don't know what their calendar looks like, but I know the dates that I'm available right now. Or Wednesday. Yeah, the 1st or the 3rd would be good for us.
All right, December 1st. And that will be a contested hearing. Witnesses can appear by Zoom. All right, once you sign the reset form, you'll be excused.
Do you want the motions, Your Honor, or we'll just do a form?